Hey, good morning, Mr. Needle. My name is Nell. You. Hope y'all doing well this morning. I'm doing kind of groggy or something. I don't know. I don't know. Oh well, don't matter. Still gonna do a guidance for you guys. Get some guidance, right? Yeah. So, let's see what we get. Yeah. That one wants to go. Ooh, wow. They flipping hard. I got one more. Ooh. I feel one more. Okay. Feel this might be a long video. Not sure, but we'll see. Try to not make it like I have a fucking day. So, first card out. Nine of Cups, right? This is all about wish fulfillment, right? In the emotional realm. I feel this is like in general. If you want to get to a place in life where you are content, um, yeah, there's certain conditions that need to be in place, right? There's requirements for that in your life. Yeah, these requirements are not just within yourself. These are also in your environment. You'll, mm-hmm. So yeah, let's continue. Yeah, I feel that's what this is representing in this reading anyway. Yeah. Next one out. The Wheel of Fortune. Whew. Now this card, this could go both ways. This could go into a fortune kind of way, right? But it may also go in an ignorance way. The Wheel of Ignorance. This is very much a choice between having knowledge or not. The Wheel of Ignorance. Yeah. The choice is ultimately yours. Yeah. If you really look at this card, see you got Sphinx. It's guarding it. It's kind of a representation of, hey Vim, hold on a second. Oh yo, Akiri. Oh yo 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 yo. Okay. So representation of that knowledge is not an easy thing to acquire, right? To acquire. Um, Also, these angels, when you look at that, these are the fixed stands, right? Yeah. What are they doing? They studying. So, yeah, it's not an easy thing to do, and we'll get to that later. But uh, yeah, this could go both ways. Why? Well, you got the four, right? Four. This cross. Cross is representing of the quaternity, right? Um, that is having everything in place, like these fixed signs within yourself to become whole in your consciousness. Um, how do you call it again? Unity consciousness. Yeah, that's the best way to understand that. Yeah, having everything in place and understanding it and applying it in your life as well. Yeah, but it can go both ways because if you look at that card, see that X, right? You got the four, so that's one plus two plus three plus four equals to 10, right? But it could go both ways too. It could go 10, yeah. It can go to 0 or to 10. So the choice is yours, right? Yeah. When you look at this card, snakes represented by wisdom in this card, I feel. And these are the forces that hold you back. What is that in this life? It could be, yeah, all the media, all the games, all the sports, the news, trying to get you into fear mode and all that stuff. Um, yeah. So The choice is really yours. Um, mm-hmm. Yeah, gaining some knowledge, learning how this world works, how you work. Um, yeah. So yeah, I'm missing. Well, I'm missing a lot, I'm sure, but yeah, I don't have time to explain everything to you guys. But yeah, that's why these four angels are there, are the fixed signs, right? And that's why they're studying. So yeah, this reading is talking about that big time. Yo. So, in order to get through some knowledge and understanding of yourself and the world that you're living in, right? In order to um, get this unity consciousness, you know, you're gonna have to be very brave in this life. Learning to say no to all these things, right? That I just said, all these distractions, they are there for a reason. They are there to hold you back, and it's not like oh they're evil or and this and that. No, it's a good thing, right? We talked about this a few days ago. We all need downtime and all that, recharging. Um, and yeah, because otherwise we go insane, right? Yeah. And also this infinity symbol, yeah, on this cards. Um, to me, that's very much representative of um, this unity consciousness, right? Applied in your life. Yeah. The cycle of having it in the spiritual realm, mental realm, emotional realm, applying it in the physical world. And that is the loop of reality, basically. That's one way of looking at it. So, but in order to do that, you're gonna have to be very brave and, like I said, learning to say no. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Next card out, Six of Swords. It's all about travel, right? This may be traveling in the mental realm. This could be leaving behind um, thoughts, emotions, maybe too, knowledge that you have learned in the past that you may have to move away from that, right? Not saying that it is bad, but I feel this is like keeping it open, keeping an open mind to let your mind go places where it's not comfortable for you to go. Yeah, yeah. In order to learn something in this life, um, I kind of see this like I give an example. Like if you have somebody who's very religious because their parents were religious and they are raised in a very religious way, right? Um, all they see is religion all their life. They live by the book, right? They live by the Bible. Um, if you go up to them like, hey, have you ever looked into astrotheology? Have you looked at the Son of God, Sonsun? That kind of lines up with what is in that book, right? And the 12 apostles, huh? That kind of lines up with the horoscope. Yeah. And it kind of lines up with the watch that you're wearing on your wrist. Huh? Ain't that weird? Hmm. And they go, no, 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 no. Rigid skepticism, you know, and that is holding them back. Not saying that their religion is false or whatever. There's good things in every religion, but that rigid skepticism holds people back. So, gotta open your mind. You really do. Yeah. I'm not saying like if somebody's a follower of Jesus Christ, right? That is awesome. Yeah, that is really awesome. But don't just fucking go to church every Sunday and thinking you're a Christian. No, actually follow the teachings in your life and applying those teachings in your life. Try to live. Try to be Jesus. Right? Just an example. Yeah. And I'll see. Yeah, me and my environment, I see a lot of people like that. Yeah, yeah. They're gonna bash him. So, what I told you about that, let your mind go places where it may not be comfortable to go, right? Yeah. Our last card, the World cards. Yeah, this looks a lot like this one, right? Yeah. But these fixed signs ain't learning anymore. No. Just come to a completion of it, right? Coming full circle. Yeah. In the dance of Shiva. Yeah, she's dancing. And she's crossing her legs, right? Cross. Unity consciousness. And body. You. So it seems like you guys should try to work on that. Yeah. Having all thoughts, emotions, and actions, bringing that into the real world. Yeah, come to an understanding of it. Yeah. And these two staffs, this is one of them is masculine and feminine energies, right? We all control ourselves, have the ability to control our lives, right? But only nature has the final saying. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And again, with the axis, X. Yeah. So this reading I feel is a calling for you guys to step out of your comfort zone, right? Whatever you may believe, it's a good thing. Don't get me wrong, but it's calling out for you guys to look beyond your beliefs. That's what I'm feeling with this one. Yeah. And if you don't, if you just stick to your rigid beliefs, and you may stay in base consciousness, like almost everybody else. Mm-hmm. So, yeah. So learn these things and apply it in your life. Right. Yeah. It's not going to be an easy road. I'm not going to blow smoke up your ass and saying like, oh, that's easy. I'm not perfect in this matter either. I'm still learning, and I'll probably learn until the day I die. But yeah, gonna have to have the will to do it, and that is what this reading is here to teach us. I feel. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. I think that's all I have to say for you guys today, and hope you all have a good day, and try to apply this in your life. Okay. Okay. Bye. Have a good one.